What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a pumpkin skeleton. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the eyes. Now we're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw a straight angled line going up and then out towards the left. Let's line up the inside over on the right and do the same thing going up towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom of the eye, start from the top, come down, round up the eye and just pull that up on the inside. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw a triangle, come down and out toward the left and right side, close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's add some sharp points across the top of the mouth. We're going to start underneath the nose in the center. Let's start with a point, come down toward the left, and then back up to create a V. And we'll do the same thing over towards the right. Let's add one more point, come down and then up. Now I'm going to bend the mouth going around the eye, going out and then up towards the side. Now I'm going to bend the mouth coming back down and then in, down, and then into right about there. And I'll add 2 points across the bottom. So we'll go up and then down in the middle, add one more on the right. Now I want to add a curve for the chin just underneath the mouth. So we start over on the left, bend this down, go across, and then up. Let's go up towards the top, just in between the eyes. We're going to add another curve. We're going to go up, and then down. Let's add a fold along the side. So we're going to start on the left, go up, go around the eye, and then bend that down. Now I want to close off the side of the pumpkin. Starting over on the left, go out, come down. I'm just going to tuck this up underneath the chin on the left, go over towards the right, and do the same thing. Let's add the stem across the top of the head. So we move over toward the left, then it's up and then over. Now on the end, we're going to draw a small oval coming down at an angle and back up. From the bottom of the oval, let's draw the bottom of the stem, coming in and then down. Now let's add the spine coming down the center of the body. Leaving a gap in the center, let's draw 2 lines. One coming down on the left to right about there. Move over, draw the same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now I want to add some ribs along the side. Let's start from the bottom left, we're going to step up, go out and then down on both sides. Round up the tip of the rib, go up, and just pull that in towards the side of the spine. And leave a small gap and do that again. Go around the top, round up the ends, go up and then in. I'm going to add one more across the top. That up underneath the head. Now just underneath the bottom of the spine, we're going to add a curve, coming down and then up. Let's round up the hips, come down towards the bottom. Let's close off the bottom with a curve. Now we're going to tuck the legs in underneath the body. Let's start over on the left side, draw 2 straight lines. Let's start with the outside, coming down and out. Step in, draw another line. Along the bottom of the leg, we're going to add 2 curves. So start on the outside, going around, just pull that up in the middle, come around the inside, and just back up toward the top. Now underneath the leg, we're going to draw 2 straight lines coming down towards the ankle. And then we'll do the same thing, adding those 2 curves around the bottom. Let's go to the inside of the ankle, curve the heel, coming in and then down towards the bottom of the foot. Now I'm just going to draw a curve coming down and then out towards the first toe. go back to the left side, we're gonna round up the toe. We're gonna go up, go around, and in like a circle. Now we're gonna layer 2 more toes along the outside, out and then in. And then from the top of the second toe, curve the foot going up and then in toward the outside of the ankle. Now I'm going to go all the way back up towards the top and tuck the arms in underneath the head. Let's start over on the left. We're going to bend the arm going around the rib and then down towards the outside of the elbow. Let's step out, draw that same curve, and then down. Now just like we did with the legs, we're going to add those 2 bumps. Let's start with the outside. Let's draw 2 lines coming down the forearm. And then again, we're gonna add those 2 bumps across the wrist. From the inside of the wrist, we're gonna draw a half circle for the thumb, coming in and then back out. Then it's up and then out towards the top of the thumb. And then we're going to layer 3 fingers on either side. Let's start from the bottom of the thumb, come down and bend that up. Step down, draw that again. Come down and up. Step down, draw the 3rd finger going all the way around. Just pull that in towards the outside of the wrist. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now it's sign art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw our pumpkin skeleton. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.